Hi and welcome to a new unboxing episode. Today I'm gonna talk about a 5-inch quad from Geprc. It's the GEP-AX5 Airbus, a 215mm size quad made for 5-inch props. And yeah, I'm just gonna have a look into the box and talk about what's inside, the quality of the parts, all this stuff. Okay, let's start. So, what we have inside, first is instruction manual or assembly schematic sheet with all the parts, how it comes together, and technical features about this quad and what size of batteries should work. My target is to use 4 1500 milliamps LiPos. We will see if they will fit or if I have to change to 1300 milliamps. Okay. Problem will be perhaps that the CG will be not no more centered if you use too big batteries, so we will see if it works with 1500s. Okay, that's the manual. Then we have some stickers here, and then we start with the parts. First we have the LED board, then we have the PDB, including the plug, the XT80 plug, which I will change to 4mm gold plugs. And then we have the front 3D printed part, which protects the FPV cam, and also at the same time is the mount for your action cam for GoPro session, for example, or Runcam 3 or whatever you will use on the quad. Then we have two Velcros, a wide one and a slim one. We will see how to use them, one for the GoPro, one for the battery. And then some cable ties to fix your components, for example VTX or receiver or whatever. Then the part to fix the arms on the frame. A part what I really like, because you don't need any nuts inside the frame. You can loosen or tighten all your screws outside of the frame, and you don't need to hold some nuts inside the frame. It's a fixed shaped part, and that's a great idea. Then we have other hardware, spacers and screws and nuts. The nuts are all steel hardware, so what I'm gonna try to do is to replace most of the the screws to aluminium, to 70-75 aluminium, which is extremely strong, and you can reduce the weight of the frame about a few grams. And we will see how we end up with the weight of the frame. Then we have the arms, 4 pieces, so no spare, but these are 4mm arms, so I think they will last long. We will see. And yeah, it's not an extremely expensive frame. It's about 50 bucks. So if you really kill arms, it's the best solution to reorder the whole frame. Then you have all parts as spare parts. Then we come to the plates, bottom plate, top plate. I think it's 2mm and 1.5mm top plate, all nice carbon parts. Then the side plates of the frame, also I think 2mm carbon fiber. Here you can mount your FPV cam. This is the cut for your stripe for the action cam, and yeah, And last but not least, some foams for your arms, to dampening a bit the landing impact, and 2 parts for 2 rubbers to fix the battery, the LiPo on top of your frame. So what we're gonna do too after unboxing, just a short closer look at the parts and also some weight checks, just to see what we really have here. First we start with the PDB. On the bottom side you can see the features. So first thing I saw is that it's 4 times accepts 4 times 25 amps. What is great, we have back with 5 volt 3 amps and 12 volt 500 milliamps. That's really great. Okay, then let's go to the measurement of the carbon parts. First we go for a check with the arms. We have 4.1 millimeter on the arms. Then bottom plate is 2 millimeters more or less. Then we have side plates, which are a little bit thinner, and we have the bottom plate, which should be around 1.5, almost 1.5. Okay, and then let's check the weight. What I want to first check is the steel hardware. Put them in, and we have 14 grams of screws. So at least we can go down at least half of the weight. So I will say it's 7 up to 8-9 grams. We can reduce only with changing the screws to high-end aluminium screws. So we will see what's possible there, but I think I will change the screws to aluminium ones. That's the first check, and then let's have a look at the manual. It says that the whole frame is 116 grams. So let's do a short check if this is the real thing or not. So as you can see, we are at no, we have the screws. Bam. We are at the 140 grams without stripes, without velcros, and without cable ties. All other stuff is inside, so we are over 20 grams heavier than what the manual says. What I will do is I will use some parts, or I will reduce some parts. Perhaps I don't use these, but these are almost no weight. Then I won't use the LED bar, that's not necessary. Then the cable also, and then I'm on 134 grams, and changing the screws. So we will end up at 128, 29 or whatever, like this. That's not really the truth what we have here with these 116 grams, but I think it's okay. Just the last short check about the weight. They are talking about carbon weight, 116 grams, so let's check if this is the truth, but the carbon will be much lighter for sure, because there is so much other hardware, and we ended up at 136 or whatever grams, and these are all the carbon parts, and we're at 87 grams, so I have no idea what about these 116 grams is meant, but anyways, the number is not right. But Most important is to have a rigged frame. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumb up if you like it, subscribe, share, comment, and happy flying. Bye bye.